You think Google knows too much about you? You think Facebook is spying on your microphone? That is child's play. There is a company in Silicon Valley that doesn't just track your clicks, it tracks your life. It was born from the ashes of 9/11. It was funded by the CIA. And today, it decides everything from who gets a job to who gets deported to who dies in a war zone. They call it the operating system of the modern world. Welcome to Palantir, the company that built the God view. To understand the danger, you have to understand the origin. After 9/11, the US government had a problem. They had all the data, emails, flight logs, bank transfers, but they couldn't connect the dots. Enter Peter Thiel, the founder of PayPal. His idea was simple. We built software to stop credit card fraud. Why can't we use the same code to catch terrorists? So, the CIA's secret venture capital firm, In-Q-Tel, funded them. They built a software called Gotham. It worked. In Iraq and Afghanistan, Marines used it to predict where bombs were buried. It didn't just map the battlefield, it mapped the enemy's social network. It told soldiers who to raid and who to kill. If Palantir stayed in war zones, maybe it would be a hero story, but they brought the war home. Palantir's technology is now used by police departments for predictive policing. Imagine the movie Minority Report. The software analyzes data to predict a crime before it happens, but critics warn this leads to racial profiling and digital warrants without cause. Then came ICE. Palantir helped the government track undocumented immigrants. It mapped their families and relationships to help agents execute deportations. It got so dark that inside the company, employees started quitting. One engineer resigned, writing a letter that said, "I joined to stop terrorists, not to deport families." But here is where it affects you, right now. Palantir realized that governments move slow, but corporations pay fast. So they launched Foundry. This isn't just data analysis, this is an AI boss. Big companies use it to analyze every employee. And the software doesn't just give charts, it gives orders. It can literally tell a CEO, shut down Factory B, or fire Dave from logistics because the algorithm says he's inefficient. We used to make decisions with intuition. Now we make them because a magic rectangle told us to. Today, Palantir is in Ukraine helping drones find targets. It is in hospitals managing supply chains. It is likely scanning your data right now. They call themselves the good guys fighting for the West. But you have to ask yourself, when a single private company knows more than the CIA, more than the police, and more than your boss, are they protecting the world or are they ruling it? Let me know in the comments, is this safety or is it surveillance?